If you've ever tried to install a remote start on a modern vehicle, you know the biggest hurdle isn't the wiring, it's the data bus. This Avital 5105L and directed DB3 combo package claims to solve that entire nightmare. And honestly, it delivers a surprisingly complete solution right out of the box. The Avital 5105L itself is a proven workhorse. You get reliable security and the convenience of remote start from up to 1,500 feet away. Now, let's be clear, these are one-way remotes, so you won't get confirmation back, but for basic keyless entry, trunk release, and firing up the engine on a cold morning, 1,500 feet is more than enough range for most parking lots. It's a solid, dependable system that handles the basics perfectly. But the real magic here is the inclusion of the directed DB3 Express Kit. This isn't just some cheap bypass. This is the latest generation module that covers over 95% of vehicles on the road today. It's the brain that talks to your car's computer, handling everything from door locks to complex push-to-start ignitions and even hybrid systems. It takes the headache out of integrating security into sophisticated modern electronics, supporting legacy systems like VATS and PASSLOCK, while seamlessly integrating with the newest smart key technology. And here's the kicker that makes this specific bundle from Click and Add so compelling. They offer free flashing and programming. You just email them your car's year, make, model, and key type, and they preload the firmware. That is huge for the average DIYer or even a small shop, saving you the cost of specialized programming tools and hours of frustration. They even email you the specific wiring guide. When you combine the reliable 5105L alarm and remote start with the cutting-edge, pre-programmed DB3 interface, you get a powerful, accessible package. This isn't just a remote start. It's a complete, integrated security and convenience upgrade that truly simplifies the installation process.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.